Hello everyone, welcome to Jigyasa. I'm Devashmita. So in this video we are going to cover about the nuts. Some nuts yielding plants which are mainly used in our daily life. So, a nut is a single seeded dry fruit with a hard pericarp, and these have a high protein and the fat contents beside the starch, sugar, and the mineral elements. In our daily life, we just take some nuts for our better and healthy life. So, this gives us our body or supplements or these are highly protein and fat content rich. That's why this is we just take in our daily life. So depending upon the type of the content which they contain, the nuts are divided into three categories. So due to the presence of some of the nuts are mainly highly protein rich, and some of the carbohydrate rich and some of the fat content. So on the basis of they are categorized on the basis of their protein, carbohydrate, fat content, they are categorized into three types, and these are nuts with the high protein content, nuts with high carbohydrate content, then nuts with high fat content. So let's see the different types of the which plants or the which nuts are belong to the high protein content, carbohydrate content, and the fat content. So in case of the highly protein rich nuts, for example almonds, we in our daily life we mostly use in the almonds, or the we normally call as the badam. So its scientific name is the Prunus amygdalus. Prunus amygdalus, which is from family the Rosaceae family, belong to the family Rosaceae. Then green almond, which is otherwise known as normally we called as the pista. So Pistacea vera, which is belong to the family Anacardiaceae family. Then beech nuts means fungus. Its scientific name is the sylvatica. Fungus sylvatica, which belong to the family Fagaceae family. So these are mainly the high protein content nuts. Then comes to the nuts with the high carbohydrate content. For example, cashew nut. Normally we call it as kaju. This is known as the this is the chestnut. Chestnut, its scientific name is the Castanea sativa, which is belong to the family Fagaceae family, and it is a true nut. So nuts with the high fat content, like for example, coconut, it's normally called as the nariyal. So cocos nucifera is belong to the family palmy family, and commonly known as the culpa because we normally perceive the culpa because of it's a because of the number of the useful products it has so many uses. That's why this is known as the culpa because it's a fruit, it's a leaf, and it's whole plants parts is used in the various purposes. So that's why this is known as the coconut, or this is known as the culpa. So chiefly grown in case of the Kerala, and in Malayalam or the Sanskrit, the Kerala means the land of the coconut. That's why this is known as the uh, in case of the Kerala or Keralam, it means the lands of the coconut. We can found highly in that region of the coconut. So nearly all the parts of these nuts are used, and these provides a very nutritious refreshing juice. The soft kernel are scraped and eaten, and the mature nuts provide the copra, that's it's known as endosperm, otherwise known as the copra, which is used in the various ways. And the coconut oil is obtained from the copra. Coconut oil is obtained from the copra. Then the fibrous mesocarp provides the coir, and the dry leaves are used in the temporary shades. So let's comes to then cashew nut. The cashew nut normally we called as the cashew anacardium occidental, anacardium occidentals, and it's belong to the family anacardiaceae family, and it is the native of the Brazil. Most conspicuous product of the tree is the false fruit. we this is solen peduncle. Its shape is solen peduncle, so known as the kaju apple, and the receptacle for the true fruit. Then English walnut, acarot, we commonly known as the acarot, and its name is the Juglans regia, which is belong to the family Juglandaceae family, and it is the native of the iron and edible portion of the kernel, which are the cotyledons of the seed. Let's comes to the peanut or chilgoza, Pinus Pinus gerardiana or peanut. It's belong to the family Pinaceae family. This the edible seed are tasty, nutritious, having the delicious flavors. So you can add, or you can add most of the food nuts that consist of the highly protein or high carbohydrate, and the fat rich nuts from Google or any source of the books. So I think you got there's some basic idea about to the knot yielding. So these are mainly used in our daily life, or that the various knots that are used in our daily life. So thank you.